This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create double spacing in Overleaf. Overleaf is a fantastic online LaTeX editor that allows you to write, edit, and share your scientific documents seamlessly. Sometimes, whether it's for a specific journal requirement or just personal preference, you might need to adjust the line spacing of your document. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to achieve double spacing across your entire document in Overleaf. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly discuss why you might want to double space your document. Double spacing is often required in academic settings because it makes the text easier to read and leaves room for notes and comments. It can also give your document a more professional appearance, especially when submitting a draft for review. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Overleaf project. If you haven't already created one, you can easily do so by visiting the Overleaf website and starting a new project. Once you have your document open, you'll be adding a few lines of code to the preamble. The preamble is the section at the very top of your LaTeX file before the command begin document. This is where you define settings and packages that will apply to your entire document. In the preamble, you'll need to include the setSpace package. This package provides commands for changing the line spacing in your document. To include it, type use package setSpace. This line tells LaTeX to use the setSpace package, which is specifically designed for controlling line spacing. Right after that, add the command double spacing. This command is straightforward. It sets the line spacing to double throughout your document. Once you've added these two lines, your preamble should look like this. First, the line use package setSpace, followed by double spacing. Now that you've added these lines, it's time to see them in action. Go ahead and recompile your document. In Overleaf, you can do this by clicking the Recompile button, usually found at the top of the screen. This process will update your document to reflect the changes you've made in the preamble. Once the document recompiles, you should see that all paragraphs now have double line spacing. This change applies throughout your entire document, so every section, paragraph, and line will adhere to this new spacing rule. It's as simple as that. A quick tip to keep in mind: if you ever need to revert back to single spacing or switch to 1.5 spacing, you can easily do so by replacing the double spacing command with single spacing or 1/2 spacing, respectively. These commands work in the same way and provide flexibility depending on your formatting needs. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to ensure your entire document in Overleaf is double spaced. This method is not only quick, but also ensures consistency throughout your work, which is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance in your documents. Remember, mastering these small formatting tricks in LaTeX can greatly enhance your document's readability and presentation. Thanks for watching, and happy writing with Overleaf.